Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this presentation, we are going to see how you should have applied our simple day trading strategy to gain success in day trading yesterday. Before looking into that, let me explain you. Whenever I place the cursor on any candlestick, you can see the date and time below. As a continuous follower of our presentation and as our client, you know that in order to follow this simple day trading strategy, you need to follow a set of rules. It's very simple. Just follow the rules and stay with this method. Now let us go and see what happened after the price opening. You can see this long dropped ash color candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere below the previous day's price closing. So you know the rules. Whenever the price is staying below this green moving average line, you are going to stay only in selling. We had made our point very clear. Whenever there is a gap down opening, or you can call this as a spike down opening, whatever it may be, where you will be entering into the market. So in order to get or generate the entry point, we had explained in many occasions that you should follow this lower band. Whenever the price is touching the lower band, and if it provides you a red color signal, so when the price is going to touch the lower band, the color of the candlestick should be in red, so that you can enter into that particular area, where enter into the trade in that particular area and have this upper band as your stop loss, just 2-3 points above the upper band as your stop loss. So yesterday the market provided us an opportunity to explain you again. So I am going to run this candlestick. Let us see when the price is touching this lower band. So whatever might be the, because there is a lot of thing you can ask me, if the price suddenly drops from this point, or if the price keep on dropping without touching this. So we have a set of rules and we go with the rules as a trader. So like what happened yesterday, see, the price was dropping, but we don't bother about that, because we want to, why we are following this simple rule, because entering the market at one point but placing your stop loss, because this strategy is all about how to minimize your risk. So now let's move on and see when the price is touching this lower band. No, still the price has not touched the lower band. So you need not worry or panic about these type of price actions, because we know here the market had provided us an opportunity here. So you can see exactly the price, the candlestick touching the average, this lower band line, and you can enter into this particular area. So you can enter into this particular area here, this particular line. So let me change the color. So where you will be placing your stop loss, your stop loss should be just above this band. That's all. You can see just above this upper band. That's all. Then you can trail. The best part is we are saying this repeatedly, trailing your stop loss according to this band. So you can see you would have made some few profit in this. So once you should, now you can see that your entry point was here. I am going to delete, because we are focused more on trailing your stop loss. So it would have generated you few profits. So I am going to delete it in order to avoid confusion. So now let me say that it had provided you enough profit. You can see that it had provided you enough profit. You would have been stopped out here if you have trailed your stop loss. It depends upon the clients to book your profit. We are saying this repeatedly. So it depends, re-entry option also the market will provide you. So all the sell entries should be taken below this lower band. You are not going to take any entries within this band. So please make it clear that whenever the price is producing any signals within this band, you are going to neglect that. Only the price should come below this lower band to produce a trade signal. Now in this situation, you know that very well. Our rule says that below this green line you are going to sell and buy. There is no buying. Even it shows there is a buying opportunity, we are not going to take that into account. So now what I had told you yesterday, whenever the price is testing this green line, what you should do, just 5 points above this green line, if the price is crossing 5 points above this green line, enter into the trade and place your stop loss 5 point below, 5 or 6 point below this. This is a particular rule we follow only when the price is testing the green line. We know that the green line is a potential line where you can make good profit. Only from this green line the market will reverse, and it has got the potential to give you huge profit. So now let me see that yes, here you can see the price entered into this zone. Again we are saying whenever the price is testing this green line, you can see in this particular area the market created a little bit of high here and came down. You can even enter when the price is breaking this particular zone, the previous candle's high. So that depends upon the individual. As a rule we said that 5 plus and 5 minus, that's all. So now we can see what would have happened. Again we are saying once you place your stop loss, just follow the lower band here. So here in this situation you can see that you are going to slowly and steadily increase your stop loss here. So that's a great advantage of this particular strategy. You can see that whatever might be, you now see the risk. So the risk is only just 5 points. So you need not bother here that you can see the stop loss got triggered. That is not going to affect you at any case, because earlier you made a huge profit. Whenever you make loss, it's going to be very small. Whenever you make profit, it's going to be high. So now in this particular case you can see the candlestick was testing this green line, and it has provided you a red color signal indicating that I may go down. So what you do, just calculate 5 points. You always see this green color price line here. So it is going to be easy. Just approximately I am going to place this. This is a buy entry point, a sell entry point, or this is the stop loss. Now let us see after entering into the trade. Now you can see again we are saying that trailing your stop loss. Now you are going to see how we are modifying the stop loss. This strategy is focused more on minimizing your loss. Now you can see whatever might be the case, now we are running in good profit. So the way we are modifying your stop loss, now the stop loss itself is in profit. So this is one best way of doing trading. Many people will go for this type of method. Whenever you make loss, everywhere you can see the same slogan, but most of them don't provide a solution. But here in Goodwill Commodities we had provided you a very clear cut solution for this running your profit, minimizing your loss. That's all everybody is expecting in trading. So this happens by using this simple strategy. Now what we are doing is that we know that it had provided you enough profit. We are not focusing on that. Now it's the market is trying to provide you a signal, buy signal. So I am going to wait so the price reverse here. So here in this particular case the market provided me a buy signal. So what I do is that since the market has provided me a buy signal, it's going to be simple, 5 points plus. You are going to place approximately, I am doing it, I am not calculating it since this is for education purpose. 5 point plus will be entering into the trade. Yes, you are into the trade. Now you had made some profit. So you can see how I am going to modify this. Earlier the stop loss was at that zone. Now we can see the stop loss zone. Now we have decreased the stop loss. Slowly we are increasing, so which means that you are decreasing the stop loss zone. Now we can see the zone itself has converged to a particular area. Here in this particular area we are stopped out again. So we know that this is a part of this trading business, winning and losing. But when you lose in a very small amount. That's going to be the key area. Here the price has provided us an indication, just it has crossed 5 points from here. So we will be jumping into the trade once it has crossed 5 points and placing a order above 5 points. So now we can see the market had provided you enough profit. I am going to delete the entry point, and you should always trail your stop loss like this. Minimize your risk. That's going to be the key factor in successful trading. So here if the market had provided you enough opportunity, in this particular case you can see that in this area the price, the green line, the market has crossed the green line by 5 points. Why we are insisting on placing automated or like 5 plus and 5 minus in this particular green zone? When I am explaining you, the market is not moving, it is static. So it is not moving. But in real time, if you see that whenever the price is in this particular reacting in this particular green line, it just cleared this zone very fast. That is the reason we made this strategy very simple by using this concept of 5 plus and 5 minus in this particular area. So now you know that we were into this trade and we got stopped out here. So this is a part of our trading. So here you got another entry point, here you got a beautiful another entry point because it satisfies all our rules. Below the lower band, below the green line, so it says this is a very valuable entry point and you had made some profit, good profit. Here in this particular case, the market you can see that the market readily jumped into a 5 plus point category. So you would have been into this trade. So what happened yesterday was that really it had provided us a very good opportunity for us to learn in this green line how to trade in this green line. Here you can see that situation that you would have been into the trade, and now you can trail your stop loss like how I am doing it. So I am going to delete it since it has provided you some wonderful profits. So you can see that after this particular area the market was running in good profit. Here in this particular case we are not going to take any sell signal, as you all know that only if the price comes below like this. In this case you can see the market clearly enter into the 5 point zone, so you will be into the trade because it satisfies all the rules. Because it is below this lower band, below the green line, and now you got another beautiful entry point. So this is yesterday market worked like a magic for every traders. You can see that whenever you make loss it's small, and whenever make you profit the profit ratios is high. So yesterday is a great day for our goodwill commodity traders. Yesterday was a great day. Hope everybody would have enjoyed maximum profit by using this strategy. Here in this particular case you can see the market jumped right away. That is the reason why we always say once the price is at green line, immediately plus 5 and minus 5, calculate it and leave it. So like this it would have entered into the trade, and you can see the price was staying down. We always request you to increase these, that means decrease the risk by trailing the stop loss. Here you can see you got stopped out again, but we don't bother about that. We know that once we get some another valuable entry point like this, this is again a valuable entry point, and you can see the price shooted up. So this is the best way. You can see whenever you make loss, you do make loss very less, and number of time the market going in favor of our strategy, you can see out of 10 more than 7 times you can see that the price was moving in line with our strategy. So this is a wonderful way of doing day trading. You know that as our client we have one-to-one training session, so you can attend our one-to-one training session, individual training session, where we will be training you individually how to follow this strategy based upon your investment, and we can help you in decide your trading plan and money management, including money management also. Make use of our training sessions. So if you are not our client, what you need to do is that you need to just open a trading account with us. You know that we are providing this wonderful revolutionary trading platform for free. So make use of it and make the most of it. Be a successful trader. Trade like a professional. Trade like a pro. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.